Hey friends, if you encounter the error unable to terminate process, the operation could not be completed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open the command prompt window. Now let's say that the process is Notepad, okay, and Notepad is open. So and I'm unable to close it. I'll search for Task Manager. I'll open the Task Manager window. The easiest method to close it will be right click on the process and select End Task. But let's say this method is not working, then the second method will work for sure. I have a command for you, the task kill command, and the addition of /f means that you will try to kill it forcefully. I mean the process. The process name for Notepad is notepad.exe. All you need to do is copy paste this in the command prompt window and hit enter, and it says success, the process with PID so and so has been terminated and Notepad has been terminated. Notepad is closed, as you can see. So let's say that I wanted to close Excel. The path would be excel.exe. If it was Word, the path would be winword.exe. If it was PowerPoint, the path would be powerpnt.exe. If it would have been Outlook, in that case it would be outlook.exe. Are you getting the point? I mean, it's not very difficult to terminate these processes, but if you're unable to do it through the task manager, you can always use the task kill command to forcefully delete it using the command prompt window. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.